It is a case study based question, and this concepts helped me a lot when I was managing global projects. Generally, people add multiple things into the communication management plan, and they use one document for multiple purposes. But when you use any standard methodology, or when you engage with a global organization, you need to be aligned with the global concept, and you need to use the concept or the document or the content which is globally accepted, not just based on your environment or your project. So here the point is to understand the contents of communication management plan, but also the key concept that generally PMI does not mention and define in communication management plan, and generally keep that thing into communication management plan. Let's see, by definition, by the book, by PMBOK, which of the following option is not a content or not a part of communication management plan. So option number A says communication management plan talks about the technology used to convey the message. So if I am managing a project which is global and I need to integrate with or interact with multiple resources who are geographically dispersed, I need to carefully select the technology, how I am going to communicate with them. Either I am using a Skype tool or a GoToMeeting or some other method, so that or some other my corporate method or tool, so that I can communicate and record my information and do meetings. So yes, it is a critical element of a communication management plan. That is why it is not the answer, because I am going to ask you, or I am asking in this question, which of the following is not a communication management plan content. Then if you look at the option number B, it says escalation process. Escalation process is whenever you have some issues, whenever you have some risk, how you are going to escalate, how you are going to define to the multiple parties or to use it to the change management multiple bodies. So escalation process is also part of a communication management plan. Then option number C says you are going to talk about the methods to which are going to be used to convey the message. So let's suppose if you are doing a project, sometimes you need to send memos, sometimes you need to send letters, sometimes you need to send emails. So what is the preferred way of communication? How your organization communicating with internally, with its subcontractors, with the client or vendors? So it is a very important aspect, and that should be part of communication management plan. Then option number D says decision making process. You see, when you say decision-making process, that, as I said, lots of people keep this thing in communication management plan. Basically, decision-making process or decision is a part of governance document. Generally, out of 51 documents that PMI mentioned in PMBOK as part of project management, they don't have any governance document or governance structure. Although, when you manage project, you must have a separate governance document or governance management plan which guides you that how you are going to make decisions and what is the process of decision and what is your validity. So in this context, the decision making process or decision making environment is part of governance document, not a communication management plan. I hope you understand the difference between communication management plan and governance management plan. Thank you. Those who answered correctly through knowledge, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.